you, right? I have a whole box of stuff and I don't know.
Said she saw you. She's like, are you down here? I think I saw lit.
Hi, welcome to LEH Soap, everybody. We're here at the Earlier Than the Bird event. It's our downtown Asbury event that kicks off shopping. Come shopping in your pajamas or your costumes. You can win prizes. I think a turkey is the big giveaway. Here at LEH today, we're doing a tiered promotion. We make all of our own items. They're all natural, and you can save up to 30% today.
There's no more candy canes. He ate them all. That's the Grinch.
I don't like you.
Mr. Grinch. All right, we got a picture.
Candy canes over here. One candy cane.
Thank you. I'm good, thank you. Yeah.
There you go.
From Mia's Christmas Gallery. I wanted to invite you in for our Earlier Than the Bird specials today. From 10 until 12, we have 20% off everything in the store. So it's a wonderful day. Everybody's out in their pajamas. You don't even have to get dressed to come in. So we hope to see you soon.
So hey, I'm Sarah. I'm from Tina Stevens, Ocean City. We are offering 15% off any purchase of $200 in store. We're also doing $29 Tees by Tina. It's a really fun day. Come out and get your holiday shopping in.
Hi, I'm Jamie from 7th Street Surf Shop, and this is Jason Carlisi. We are here at the Earlier Than the Bird morning event. It has been great. People are dressed up in their pajamas with their shopping bags and their coffee, ready to spend money, and we're excited about it.
That was great. Everyone in their pajamas, some interesting costumes and pajamas. So it was a good event. Yeah.
Weather may have had a small impact. I feel like it was a little less traffic flow, but there are still a lot of people out, and there's time. We did 20% off from 8 until 10 and 10% off from 10 to 11.
10 to 12.
But yeah, we're excited. We're here. Come see us. We'll be here until 8 o'clock tonight.
So if you guys want to stop by next weekend, Black Friday, we should have some surprise sales for you. Not sure exactly what it is just yet, but it'll be a surprise.